Good morning, students. So here we are again. Yesterday we finished with exercise 5.1 completely, and today we'll be starting with the next exercise of index numbers. So as you can see, I've shared the screen with you all. So index numbers basically are divided into two parts: unweighted aggregative index numbers and weighted aggregative index numbers. We have finished the unweighted aggregative part. As you all can see, for your quick revision, I've written the formulas. So we studied simple aggregative price index numbers in that. These index numbers are used universally. So there's no specific names given to it. Number one was price index number P01, quantity index number Q01, and value index number V01. Now today we'll be focusing on weighted aggregative price index numbers. Now usually when we say weight, so weight is a measure which is used to measure the quantities. So weight is a unit by which we measure the quantities, correct? So weight can be in kilograms, grams. So if I define weights, they are usually defined in terms of quantities in this particular method. So as you all can see, the name itself tells you all weighted. That means we will be talking about quantities in this particular method. So the formula goes like this: P01 is equal to, the basic is the same, summation P1 upon summation P0 into 100. This we have already studied previously. Now what is added over here is W and W, both in the numerator as well as in the denominator. So basically what is introduced in this concept is the W term, the weight term. Now these formulas were not developed by a single individual. So as you can see, I have written there are 6 names of the developers you have to remember in this particular exercise. I know 6 names. It's too much, right? But don't worry, I'll tell you all the trick to remember the names, and the formulas are much more simpler than that. So just don't go by their names, just remember the alphabets. All right. So the first developer was Lasperi's price index number, which is denoted as P01 of L. He was the first developer. After that came Paschi's price index number P01P. Then after individuals, we have two brothers, you can say. We have two couples over here, Dorbish Bowley and Marshall Edgeworth. So Dorbish Bowley is written as P01D-B and Marshall Edgeworth P01M-E. So up till now simple. First two individuals, L, P. Then you have two brothers, you can say. That is DB and ME. Then after that you have Fisher's. Fisher's price index number P01F. And the last one is Walsh price index number P01W. Now out of these six developers, our focus today will be the first 5. Yes, the first 5 are included in one bracket and Walsh is calculated separately. Walsh is not considered with them. Overall there are 6 developers. एक group 5 बंदों का और एक अकेला बंदा है. So today our focus will be the first 5 formulas, that is Lasperi's, Paschi's, Dorbish Bowley, Marshall Edgeworth and Fisher's. नाम हो गया. Now formulas की बारी. What formulas did they develop? So this is the exercise before moving on to the formula part. As you can see, I've written the headings on the top. L, P, D-B, M-E, F and W. All right. Now, I'll explain you all the trick how to remember the formulas. With that help, you won't get confused at all while calculating formulas. So now please listen to me carefully. What is the trick? Now, I've cancelled the quantity part. Don't see that. Listen to it as if it doesn't exist only. There is no quantities mentioned. You have the simple basic formula for price index number. The most important thing you have to remember in this particular exercise is Laspeyres and Paschtries are the two important formulas. इन दो formulas पे आपके सारे sums टिके हुए हैं. If these both are wrong, your entire sum is wrong. So always keep in mind, कुछ भी हो जाए इस टाइप के सम में आपका Laspeyres और Paschtries हमेशा correct होना चाहिए. So I am explaining you all a trick to remember the formula. Hope it is useful for you all. The formula starts with a price index number. क्या पढ़ा था हमने last lecture में? What is the formula for price index number? Tell me. Summation P1 upon summation P0 into 100. ये formula पढ़ा था हमने, बराबर है? Same I have written for Paschtries also. Summation P1 upon summation P0 into 100. तो सबसे पहले you will write summation P1, थोड़ी सी जगह छोड़ दोगे, upon summation P0 again leave some space, multiply by 100. Same you will do it for Paschtries. Summation P1 जगह छोड़ो, upon summation P0 थोड़ी सी जगह छोड़ दो, into 100. Now comes the main part of the formula. Laspeyres was the first person to develop the weighted aggregative price index number. So what he did was, when he made the formula, उसने base year की quantity उठाई. So what logic he applied? After putting the basic price index number का formula, he substituted Q0, Q0 ऊपर नीचे. जैसे मैंने आपको समझाया था WW की जगह पे Q0, Q0. So Laspeyres का formula easy. So what's the formula? Summation P1 जगह छोड़ो, upon summation P0 जगह छोड़ो, into 100. Then what will you write? Q0, Q0. So with this you will never get confused and you will write the right formula. Clear? After Laspeyres came Paschtries. Now what did Paschtries do? Paschtries के पास base year नहीं था उठाने के लिए. So what did he pick up? Tell me. Any guesses? Correct. Current year. So Paschtries आया, उसने current year का quantity उठाया. So what did he do? Q1, Q1. So what is the logic of Paschtries? Tell me. Summation P1 जगह छोड़ो, upon summation P0 जगह छोड़ो, into 100. Then what will you write? Q1, Q1. Are the two formulas clear? If this formula is clear, then definitely there will be no problem for you all to understand. So is the part clear with you all, everyone? Okay, good. So moving forward with the exercise, just give me a sec. Okay, so coming back to the next part, we are done with Paschtries and Laspeyres. Then what did I tell you all? अभी दो brothers की जोड़ी आने वाली, that is Drawbash-Bowley and Marshall Edgeworth. So is the screen visible? All right. Number 3 and number 4. Okay. So as you can see, number 3 I've written Drawbash-Bowley. Now what did Drawbash-Bowley do? Now Drawbash-Bowley, when they came, they had no option. Laspeyres ने base year उठा लिया था. Paschtries picked up the current year quantity. So now what did they do? They did nothing. They used a little bit of their common sense. So they came and what did they do? Laspeyres को उठाया, P01 of L. Then they bought Paschtries also, P01 of P. They added them together and divided by 2. In simple terms बोलूं तो average निकाला. Laspeyres plus Paschtries divided by 2. Formula समझाने के लिए, for example, if you got Laspeyres का value 200, Paschtries का value 100, so how will you remove Drawbash-Bowley? Tell me. 200 plus 100 divided by 2. 300 divided by 2, 150. Followed? The other logic is Laspeyres का पूरा formula डालो, Paschtries का पूरा formula डालो, put it in a big bracket, divided by 2, multiply by 100. Keep in mind Laspeyres का logic, always write summation P1 जगह छोड़ो, upon summation P0 जगह छोड़ो, plus summation P1 leave some space, upon summation P0 leave some space, put them in bracket, upon 2 into 100. Then after that, what is the logic? Last series में Q0, Q0, last series में Q1, Q1. Always follow the same logic while solving. Then you will make no mistakes. Okay? Got it? All right. Now keep one thing in mind is when you all are putting the main formula, at that time 100 will come. Can you all see? You have substituted 100. But if you all are doing directly like this, there is no need to put 100. But in both the formulas, 2 is compulsory. Keep that in mind. Yeah? Okay. Now come to the right side. Again, you have two brothers ka jodi, that is Marshall Edgeworth. Now, what did Marshall Edgeworth do? They didn't have a choice now. So what did they do is they copied them. But copy kaise kiya unhone? They just added one more plus sign in the denominator. This is the only difference they copied. So can you all see? They copied this entire part, that is Laspeyres का formula plus Paschis का formula. But what did they do? ऊपर भी plus, नीचे भी plus. That's the only difference they did. So in easy words, if I tell you all, Laspeyres numerator plus Paschis numerator, दोनों का numerator साथ में add कर दिया. Laspeyres denominator plus Paschis denominator साथ में add कर दिया. एक ब्रैकेट में डाला, multiplied by 100. Understood? What did they do? So अभी तक what are the four formulas? Tell me. Laspeyres, Paschis, Drawbash-Bowley, and Marshall Edgeworth. Okay. Moving forward with the fifth one, the last one in this group, Fishers. Now, when Fishers came to develop the formula, he was left with nothing. अभी वो क्या करेगा? How will he develop the formula? Now average भी हो गया, numerator denominator भी add हो गया, original तो खैर he can't copy. So now what did he do was P01 of f, he took a big square root, एक बड़ा square root ले लिया, उसके अंदर Laspeyres को डाला, Paschis को डाला, and he multiplied both of them. So P01 of f is equal to square root of Laspeyres multiplied by Paschis. Or in other words, what did we do? Second option is you can substitute the entire formulas as I told you. Laspeyres का formula डाल सकते हो original, Paschis का formula डाल सकते हो original, दोनों को multiply and then you have to also put 100. Now remember 100 is not in the square root. It is outside the square root. But always I will recommend you all go with Fishers. Shortcut method. You will get marks the same for both of the formulas used. This will create a little bit of confusion, but if you're fine with it, you can opt for any one of the formulas. So is the topic for today clear what we are going to study? I'm giving you all 2 minutes. Just revise the formulas what I've taught you all. Laspeyres and Paschis is the main. Summation P1, leave some space. Upon summation P0, leave some space into 100. For Laspeyres, write Q0, Q0. For Paschis, write Q1, Q1. Drawbash-Bowley, they took the average divided by 2. Marshall Edgeworth, दोनों का numerator plus, दोनों का denominator plus into 100. And Fishers, बड़ा root में they multiplied Laspeyres into Paschis. Okay, done with the formula part. Now I'll be telling you all how to solve the sums. What logic you have to remember in the sums. Okay. So listen to it now. Can you all see I've written down some rules which you have to remember. The rule says for all the above formulas, you have to prepare 4 columns. Now what are these 4 columns? Can anyone tell me? Can you all see these 4 values? Laspeyres का 2, Paschis का 2, numerator, denominator, numerator, denominator. These are the 4 different columns that you will prepare. So what are the 4 different columns? Number 1, P1 Q0. Okay, this one upon P0 Q0. Not upon, that means the second column. Third column P1 Q1 and the fourth column P0 Q1. So I repeat it again. Understood what are the 4 columns? P1 Q0, P0 Q0, P1 Q1, P0 Q1. So these are the 4 columns that you will prepare in the sums. Okay. So moving forward with the sum part, I'm coming to the sums. Just a a sec. All right. So can you all see the logic what I have written over here? Yeah. For all the above formulas, prepare the 4 columns P1 Q0, P0 Q0, P1 Q1, P0 Q1. You can write it in any order. Order is not compulsory. बस आपने याद रखना है all the 4 should be there. No confusion. And yeah, my suggestion will be पहले Laspeyres का numerator लिखो, denominator लिखो, फिर Paschtries का numerator and denominator लिखो. So there will be no confusion and you will be able to solve the sum more easily. Okay. Walsh ka formula is remaining. This I will not teach you all today. This we'll do in the next lecture. That is tomorrow or whenever I'll send the video. So for the time being, don't go to Walsh. Leave Walsh over there. Okay, so this is our sum number 1. So in sum number 1, we'll be solving the sum. Just give me 1 second. Just erase all these. Okay. So this is the question, or I'll show you the proper format of the textbook. Just wait a minute. Okay. Can everyone see the textbook? Okay. Now here you can see, I'll just explain you all the first solved example so that you will understand how to do the sum. So this is your sum number 1. Calculate Laspeyres, Paschtries, Drawbash-Pauli and Marshall-Edgeworth price index number. So here are the names. In this case, you have to find only 4 of them. You don't have to find Fisher's price index over here. So this will be your main question. You have the base year price. You have the base year quantity. You have the current year price. You have the current year quantity. So base year ko what do we call? P0. Quantity ko Q0. Current year ko P1. And quantity ko Q1. So as you can see, they have made these 4 columns like this. So you can also do that way. Okay. After that, I told you all you have to prepare 4 columns. So what are the 4 columns? Laspeyres numerator, denominator, Paschtries numerator, denominator. Okay. So here we go with that. Okay. So here are the 4 columns which I told you all. Again, P order is not compulsory. You can write it in any order. My suggestion was first P1 Q0, then P0 Q0, P1 Q1, P0 Q1. So that is you have to multiply this. We already studied yesterday in value index number. So you have to multiply, like for example, P0 Q0 12 into 20, then 14 into 12, 8 into 10, 16 into 15. Like this you have to multiply and you'll get the values. In the same way, बाकी के 3 column करने हैं. And after solving, you have to add all the 4 columns. You have to do the total of all the 4 columns. Okay. So is this much part clear? Okay. So once you are done with the total, then there's nothing like it. You have to put the formulas one by one. So what are the formulas? Number 1, Laspeyres price index number P01 of L is equal to, what did I teach you all? Keep that in mind. If you're by hearted the formula, it's very good, but I will still suggest you all go with the trick. So the trick was summation P1, leave some space, upon summation P0, leave some space into 100. Then after writing that, in the space which you left, write Q0, Q0. So if you go by this technique, mistakes will not happen. That's the only thing I'm telling you. Then you can substitute the value and then solve it by log. Now I will suggest you all, I will not solve this sum for you all. You yourself will do it by log and see whether you get 141.7 or not. You will get only first 4 figures. Remember, in logarithm, we only get first 4 figures. So this particular sum I won't be solving for you all. I want you all to practice and see whether you get the figures or not. The same logic you will put for Paschtries. Paschtries price index number is equal to summation P1, leave some space, upon summation P0, leave some space into 100. Then after that, in the space which you left, Q1, Q1 into 100. Then you will get the answer. Then the third one was Drawbash-Pauli price index number. So Drawbash-Pauli was a simple method. You just have to add them together and divide it by 2. So P01 of L plus P01 of P upon 2. The answer we got up was 141.76. Paschy's answer was 140.53 divided by 2. No cuttings, first add and then divide the final answer. Then comes Marshall Edgeworth. Marshall Edgeworth का logic was Laspeyres का numerator plus Paschy's का numerator upon Laspeyres का denominator plus Paschy's का denominator into 100. So I'll show you what did they do. Simple logic. Come back to the original formula. Can you all see the formula over here? Yeah. So Laspeyres का numerator. What was the numerator? 1032. What was Paschy's का numerator? C down. 1484. Now see whether you can see these two numbers over here. Can you all see down? 1032 plus 1484. Understood? The same way denominator you will see. Laspeyres का denominator 728. Paschy's का denominator 1056. Now we'll see whether you can see them in the main formula. 728 and 506. 1056. Followed? Put them in the bracket first. Multiply by 100 outside. First you will add the numerator 2516. Then you will add the denominator 1784 into 100. Then don't do the cuttings. Do by log. By the time you can practice, this will help you to in practicing the sums. So I better advise you all do it with log, because this is not the only chapter you will be solving by log. There are other chapters also in which log will be required. So I suggest you all you practice from right now. Okay. So clear with the first sum, how the sums look and what we are going to do today. Okay. So coming to the exercise now, we are starting with the exercise. In the exercise part, I'm not taking sum number 1. That will be your homework. So exercise 5.2, calculate Laspeyres, Paschy's, Drobish-Bowley and Marshall Edgeworth in problems 1 and 2. So there are 2 word problems. One I will solve and one you will be solving it for your homework, for your practice. So I'm not taking the first sum. I have took the second sum for your practice to show you all. So here's the screen before you all, everybody. So first thing I did was just copy down the 5 columns of the question. Then I prepared the first 4 columns. After preparing the first 4 columns, you have to do the individual totaling as I told you. Then the logic follows. P01 of L is equal to summation P1 leave some space upon summation P0 leave some space into 100. Then where you left the space, write down Q0, Q0. Same logic with Paschy's. Same logic with Paschy's you will do. Summation P1 जगह छोड़ो upon summation P0 जगह छोड़ो into 100. Q1, Q1. Once you are right with Laspeyres and Paschy's, बाकी 2 चुटकियों में हो जाएंगे. अगर वो right है तो आपको right answers मिलेंगे. P01 of Drobish-Bowley. Laspeyres plus Paschy's divided by 2. Marshall Edgeworth, इसका numerator Laspeyres का plus Paschy's का numerator upon Laspeyres denominator plus Paschy's denominator multiply by 100. So once you get with this, there is no need to use log over here. Here you can use log. Now in these 4 values, I will just show you the calculation of one value so that those who are listening to the video right now, those who have not listened to the previous videos, they will get some knowledge what is going on. So I'll show you these calculation of 11600 upon 72. So here's the log table in front of you. So we'll write the number over here. 11. What was the number? 11600 divided by, what was the number? 11600 divided by 72. Okay. 72. Fine. So first thing is removing the characteristic. For characteristic, what do we do? One number को subtract करते हैं. So there are 5 digits in the numerator. We write 4 point. Okay. There are 2 digits in the denominator. We write 1 and we'll subtract. क्या reasoning है subtraction का? In log, division becomes minus. Logic 211. 211. Leave the extra number. उसको अपन consider नहीं करेंगे. So now we'll see. Sorry. Now we'll see 11 under 6 number का column. 11 under 6 number का column. Mean difference नहीं आएगा because there is 0 and mean difference is starting from 1. So what is the figure? 0, 6, 4, 5. 0, 6, 4, 5. Okay. Then we have 72. Does anyone remember what did I teach you all yesterday? If you have only 2 number, logic says 211, but there is only 2 now. 1 to hai nahi aage. So what did I tell you all? Whenever you find such kind of numbers, always look them in which column? Under 0. So you have to look them under 0 ka column. Okay. All right. So we'll just move downwards. 72 under 0. We have to check. All right. So here it is. So we'll look 72 under 0. Number 72 under 0. 8573. So we'll put a decimal. 8573. Okay. Now the easiest part which you all can do, subtraction. Okay. 5 minus 3, 2. 14 minus 7 is 7. 5 minus 5 is 0. 10 minus 8 is 2. 3 minus 1 is again 2. So you're putting them in bracket and you're writing the letter A. A stands for anti-log. So coming down to the anti-log column. Anti-log is after point decimal you have to start C. Just give me a second. I'll erase all these lines for you all. Okay. Fine. So here comes the anti-log table. Point 20 we have to see now. This time we have all the 4 numbers together with us. So what we are going to do is point 20 under 7, mean difference 2. So here is point 20, the 7 number ka column. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here is the number 1611. And in the same line, mean difference ka column 2 you have to observe, which is 1. So we got the final answer to be as 1611 plus mean difference also you have to always add. So what is the answer? 1612. Now this is not the final answer yet. Why so? Because still we have to add that 1 which we had subtracted in the start. Remember, for characteristic part. So 2 plus 1 gives you 3. 3 means after the first 3 digits you're putting a decimal. So this is your final answer, 161.2. So let us see whether the answer matches with what we have solved. 161.1 and we got 161.2, which is one and the same. So is the log table clear till now? I hope with this day today, this is the 3rd day. So with this, at least your improvement must have happened in calculating the log. If not, please keep practicing. It's really very easy. Listen to the video, listen to it carefully, and then you will understand what is the trick exactly which you have to follow. Trust me, it's the very easiest trick. Be having fun while solving the sums. You should have. All right. So clear with the first sum? First sum is your homework. Second, I have done it. So you can refer that sum. Okay. Now question number 3 and 4 is Walsh price index number that we'll see in the next lecture, not today. So keep 3rd and 4th on hold now. Moving on to the sum number 5. Now read the question very carefully. If price index number of raspberries is 90 and price index number of pastries is 40, you have to find Drawbish-Bowley and Fisher's price index number. So sum is very easy. Now tell me, you have raspberries, you have pastries. So how will you find Drawbish-Bowley? Can anybody tell me? Revise the formulas. What did Robisch-Bowley do? Correct. They took the average. They added Laspeyres and Paschtries together and they divided it by 2. So if you're putting the shortcut formula, please do not write 100. So here is the solution. P01 Robisch-Bowley is equal to Laspeyres plus Paschtries upon 2. 90 plus 40 upon 2. 130 upon 2, which is equal to 65. And what did Fishers do? Fishers did, he took a square root, put both of them together and multiplied. So root of 90 into 40, root of 3600, answer is 60. Sum over. Followed. All the sums are not that big. If you remember the formula, sums are very easy. Coming to the next sum, sum number 6. Now children, in sum number 6, there's a printing mistake, that is this one. The number here is 350. The number is correct. The printing is, it happened twice. You can see P0Q1, P0Q1. So here I've made the correction while solving. So just note down while solving that the value of the sixth sum is wrong over here. It is not P0Q1, it is P1Q0 that I've mentioned in the sum. So you can refer to that. Now in this case, you have all the 4 summations. Remember, when you have 4 summation, that means जो 4 कॉलम आप बनाते थे सेपरेटली मल्टीप्लाई करके फिर ऐड करके, वो आप लोगों को ऑलरेडी दिए हुए हैं. You just have to find all the 4 of them: Laspeyres, Paschtries, Robisch-Bowley and Marshall Edgeworth. That means उन्होंने आपको चारों कॉलम का टोटल रेडीमेड थाली सजा के दिए, तुम्हें खाली खाने का काम करना है. So we are coming to the sum, that is, just see, I've written here in blue pen the printing mistake in textbook. The question is summation P1Q0 350 and not P0Q1. So please be careful about that. So as you can see, Laspeyres का formula, the same logic, P1 P0 100 Q0 Q0 बाद में लिखना. So 350 upon 140 into 100, you have to directly substitute and find the answer. Same way, Paschtries, summation P1 Q1 upon summation P0 जगह छोड़ो into 100 Q1 Q1, sorry for the pronunciation, substitute. Then Robisch-Bowley, just add both of them together, divided by 2, the simple one. And Marshall Edgeworth, Laspeyres का numerator plus Paschtries का numerator upon Laspeyres का denominator plus Paschtries का denominator into 100. So your sum is over. Cool, clear, easy, fine. I'm not going too fast, right? If you are familiar with the formula, then you can do the sums in like just a flow. Next sum, sum number 7. Given that Laspeyres and Robisch-Bowley's price index numbers are 160.32 and 164.18, find Paschtries' price index number. Now listen to the sum carefully. It is given that Laspeyres and Robisch-Bowley, that means L and D dash B आपके पास है, उसमें से you have to remove Paschtries. Okay, so only by Laspeyres we can't find Paschtries because Paschtries requires Q1, correct? उसके पास current year होना चाहिए. Now we don't have the current year, but yes, we have got Robisch-Bowley. So Robisch-Bowley का formula क्या है? Very simple. Robisch-Bowley was the first pair of brothers, right? So what did they do? Laspeyres और Paschtries को plus करके average निकाल लिया था. Remember? So as you can see, Laspeyres दिया है, Robisch-Bowley दिया है, Paschtries ढूंढना है. So here is the formula: P01 D dash B, Laspeyres plus Paschtries divided by 2. Then you can do the normal working. I substituted the value. In yesterday's lecture, I told you all, whenever there is a plus sign, please don't go to do the cancellation. I know as soon as you see the number, it's like, हाँ चलो, we'll divide it and cut it out. Please don't do that. Whenever you have a plus and minus sign, please don't cancel. Cuttings are only possible in multiplication and division. There is division, but साथ ही साथ there is a plus. So please be careful. So we'll do cross multiply. I'll send the 2 over there. I'll get this number 328.36. Then you'll subtract 160.32 and you get the answer to be 168.04. Clear? Pakka? I know today's lecture is a bit lengthy, but at the same time, it is very easy also. So just focus. The reason behind taking these sums today was so that you become familiar with the formulas at least, the first 5. So finally, we are coming towards the last sum of the day, which you all were eagerly waiting that I should say. So finally, we have come to the last sum of the day, sum number 8. Then we'll stop the lecture. Now in sum number 8, you see that there are 3 summations. Remember the sum number 6, there were 4 summations, right? Now you have 3 of them, and साथ ही साथ you have Marshall Edgeworth's price index number, that is 150. You have to find Lasperi's price index number. So when we have 3 summation and we have Marshall Edgeworth ने क्या किया था बताओ मेरे को? What did he do? याद करो, मार्शल एजवर्थ सेकंड, दूसरे भाई लोग हैं, तो उन्होंने क्या किया था? लास्पेरिस का न्यूमरेटर प्लस पैस्चीज का न्यूमरेटर अपॉन लास्पेरिस का डिनोमिनेटर प्लस पैस्चीज का डिनोमिनेटर. तो इन 4 समेशन में से आपके पास 3 समेशन है और उनका खुद का वैल्यू है. सो यू हैव टू फाइंड लास्पेरिस प्राइस इंडेक्स नंबर. सो लेट अस हैव अ लुक हाउ डिड दे डू दैट. तो एज आई टोल्ड यू ऑल, उन्होंने सबसे पहले मार्शल एजवर्थ का खुद का फॉर्मूला डाला. एज यू कैन सी दे हैव पुट देयर फॉर्मूला. मार्शल एजवर्थ 150 दिया हुआ है. समेशन P1 Q0 अपने पास नहीं है. बाकी के 3 समेशन वी हैव, सो आई सब्स्टिट्यूटेड देम अकॉर्डिंगली इन देयर पोजीशन. मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100. I told you all don't do the cancellation. So first you will add both of them together. So when you add, you get 600. The rest you are doing copy paste. Now I did not cancel 600 with 350. You can see here there is a multiplication sign. तो मैं 600 का 2 0 और 100 का 2 0 cancel कर सकती हूँ. And जो लोग ने कल मेरा lecture सुना था, I told them yesterday also. Whenever you see a variable, whenever you see a plus sign, always put them in round brackets because bracket means one term. तो वो आपको बार बार याद दिलाएगा कि आपको काटा पीटी या कैंसिलेशंस नहीं करनी है. All right. So I have cut the 600 over there. So remaining is 6. So I do cross multiply. I send 6 over there. Cross multiply कर लिया. 150 into 6. Numerator को इधर ही छोड़ दिया. So 150 into 6 gives me 900. Bear with the cancellation, please. It's not 9,000. It's 900. Then plus 350 will come this side and it will be subtracted. So you get summation P1 Q0 to be 550. तो वो जो चौथा समीशन रह गया था वो आपको फाइनली मिल गया. Now इन्होंने आपको ये कैलकुलेट करने नहीं बोला, इन्होंने आपको क्या कैलकुलेट करने बोला है? Lasperi's. You have to find Lasperi's का फॉर्मूला. So what was the logic I told you all? Summation P1 जगह छोड़ो, summation P0 जगह छोड़ो into 100. Then वो जगह जो आपने छोड़ी वहां पे Q0 लिखना है, समझा? into 100. So summation P1 Q0 अभी मिला आपको 550 अपॉन P0 Q0 ऑलरेडी क्वेश्चन में दिया है 220 into 100. While solving the sums, please don't copy. Keep your textbook in front of you. Read the question and then practice. खाली कॉपी करने से sums नहीं आएंगे, समझना बहुत जरूरी है. Okay? So यहाँ पे 0 0 I have cancelled. Then by 11 का table I have made the cancellation. 11 2s are 11 5s are 55 with a 0. 2 1s are 225s are. So my final answer is 25 into 10, 250. Followed? आया समझ में? So with this we stop the today's session, and as I told you all, you have to practice 2 sums. Yes, you heard me right. One is exercise का first sum, exercise 5.2 का first sum. Apart from that, solved example का जो first sum है उसके सारे division Lasperi's, Paschy's के, Fisher's के you will solve by log and practice. Log से आप practice करोगे. And yeah, I had some messages of the students regarding they wanted to confirm the answers. So today I think the lecture is already a big one. So in the next lecture, definitely I will not disclose the answers. I will say it orally. So you can note it down and then you can cross check whether you got the right answers or not. Yesterday I gave you all some assignment sums of logarithms to practice. Apart from that, first exercise, sum number 5, 6, 7 also I had given for homework. So those students who are sincere, who have practiced, for them, I will be telling the answers orally like this. I will not disclose them. I don't want everybody to see the answers. Only those students who are practicing will get the answers, and that too orally. So if you listen to the video carefully, you will know what are the answers, then you can cross check. So we stop here, students, for the day. I hope you all are safe and stay safe. Take care and wait for the next video I'll be sending tomorrow. Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much.